Go. You can do it. Check mo mabuti, baby, yung ano, picture. From that.
Where's the hand of the Sonic?
You look muna, oh. Look at the picture, baby. Diba, there's Sonic. So, which part yan? Diba, dun sa lower part. So, this one, it should be sa lower part, diba? Dito yan sa right side konti. O, sige. So, you know na dun yan. O, and then, you hanap something like, o, yan. O, hanap mo yun. O, paano siya? Sige. O, you need to check. Okay, very good. And then, you check pa. O, sige. O, diba? O, and then, what else? There is, ano pa? No. Huwag ka maghula. Don't hula. No, baby, don't hula. You think muna. Look. Oh, I'll show you, ha. Diba? There is missing. Ayan pa, oh. You see the picture? There is missing red. O, diba? So, you look for the red. Where is the red one? Same picture with this one. With this design. Oh. Hanap mo. Which one? Yung merong ganitong design, Louie. And the red one like that. Oh, which one? Hanap mo siya. Wow, yan. Oh, and then you will look for another. Yan. Oh, diba? I told you. You look for the color. You look for the this one, the card. Oh, diba? Galing naman, baby.
You look for the Kirby mouse.
Wow! Galing!
Ano bang iluluto ko? Siguro sinigang na lang. Sinigang na boy ba?
Yan! What? 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 Almost. Almost done.
Galing yung pinito.
Ayun! Sige nga, show it. This one. Wow! Galing nga! Wow! Very good. Oh, what is next? See? Ah, tails naman. Oh, sige. Oh. Okay. Ang galing naman. Ah, sige. You're done with Sonic now. Let's move to Tails naman. Ah, sige, go. You can do it.
Nani, face muna.
Sige, sige. Hanap mo muna, ha? You can do it.
Nani, look. Not like this. No. Nanay!
Ay, wow, the tails.
Yes, sir. Yes, ma'am. I get the picture. We educate the masses who's gonna be cooking our dinners. Such a waste of time. Think we have to raise our own sons and daughters when you can pay below the minimum. Shoot that, man. May I follow up that order? But all this talk don't come cheap. We all know what has to be done. Our very own personal revolution. 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 Revolution.
Here.
Sige, hanap mo lang.
Nanay!
Ay, almost done. Sige. You look for the picture.
This is not.
Now here you come walking into my part of town, telling people you have such a solution. Quick fix. You got a story. Boy meets girl. Stop
Wow! Sige lang. Go.
kids.
Almost done.
The 10 baby, she's praying every night that I want to hit the jackpot. Now I'm looking up is win the lottery. Million gets me out of home. Knowing the world drives
Nanay!
Mm.
where do I go? Ain't no Pablo, doesn't know how to read or write. I'm starting sweet animal so I can get a good price for her. Too down late to blow away. He's got good skin tone, got nice smile and accent, but constant knows though. So where do you think you're going? Talking that kind of talk that doesn't happen. Not on my watch, no. That doesn't happen. I ask you all the real witness in the world. These young souls, let's give them a final chance and see where this all goes. I ask you all the real witness to the world of these young souls. If I don't do nothing, let's see where this all goes. I ask you all the real witness to the rape of these young souls. They got front row seats. Don't tell me they know. I ask you all the real witness to the rape of these young souls.
Nanay!
Don't need your donation.
Ay, wow! Macy? Ay, galing ah! Is that tails? Wow, two, no? Wow!
Nanay, how about the Amy?
Ah, we don't have Amy kasi. But it's okay. Ay, say bye! Galing ah! Love you, Louie! Bye-bye! Oh, meron pa? One more pa? Ah, sige. Next natin yan. Say bye-bye, mama. Bye-bye, guys!